Hi everyone, I'm Sasha Sips, the Hendrick's Gin Ambassador to the UK. Across our series of Twisted's Lunar cocktails, we'll be creating 8 incredible cocktails using Hendrick's Lunar Gin to celebrate the phases of the lunar cycle. Today, in honor of the first primary lunar phase, the new moon, we'll be making a Celestial Spritz, our signature serve. It's a super simple but utterly delicious recipe, so let's do it. First up, fill the glass with ice. Then, pour in equal parts of Hendrick's Lunar Gin and sparkling wine. The arrival of the new moon is a magical time for new beginnings. Hope is in the air for sure. This is a time for fresh starts, but you're moving at a leisurely pace. So an unfussy, super simple, refreshing Celestial Spritz is just the ticket. Finally, top with tonic water and garnish with a slice of cucumber and a lemon wedge. The cucumber, perfect with Hendrick's. Lemon and fizz in the drink means this fuss-free cocktail is perfect with charcuterie, or any salty snack really. Salami, or better still, prosciutto. It's truly a match made in heaven. Give it a try. You might even set a new ritual for yourself with this one.